Welcome to ProfitPilot, the place where smarter money moves take off. In today's video, we're diving into 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. If you've been looking for ways to make money without constantly working, you're in the right place. Let's explore these smart strategies to grow your wealth while you sleep. The first idea is print on demand. With platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful, you can design your own t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without any upfront costs or inventory. Here's how it works. You upload your design, set your price, and the platform takes care of printing, packing, and shipping the products when someone makes a purchase. You earn a profit every time your product is sold. It's passive because after the initial setup, you don't have to do anything but collect the earnings. Next, YouTube automation channels. This one is super exciting, especially in 2025. You can create faceless YouTube channels using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and animations. Upload videos about anything: finance, technology, travel, or even gaming. Once your videos are monetized, you'll earn through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. The best part? You don't need to appear on camera. There are tons of tools that help you automate the process, making it easier than ever to get started. Third on our list, dividend-paying stocks. This is a great way to make money passively by simply owning shares of certain companies. These companies pay you a portion of their profits, typically quarterly, just for holding their stock. It's a win-win. Your money works for you, and you earn income while your stock value may grow over time. To get started, focus on blue-chip stocks known for paying steady dividends. ETFs and mutual funds that focus on dividend stocks are another easy way to enter this strategy. The fourth idea, crypto staking. If you're already into cryptocurrencies, staking is an easy way to earn passive income. Staking involves locking up your crypto assets, like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, in a digital wallet to support the network and secure transactions. In return, you earn staking rewards, kind of like earning interest on a savings account. It's a great way to make money passively while holding on to your digital assets. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. How does it work? You promote products or services through a unique affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create the product or handle customer service, you're just the middleman. This works great on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. If you have a blog, social media, or even a YouTube channel, you can incorporate affiliate links to start earning passive income. Next, selling ebooks or digital products. This one's perfect for anyone who has knowledge to share. Write an ebook on a subject you're passionate about, or create digital products like templates, printables, or courses. The beauty of this income stream is that after the initial creation, you can sell the same product over and over without any additional work. Platforms like Amazon Kindle and Gumroad make it easy to publish and sell your ebooks or digital downloads. And finally, renting out digital assets. This is one of the most underrated passive income streams. Do you have a website, a domain name, or even a high-traffic Instagram page? You can rent them out to businesses or individuals who want to use them for their own purposes. For example, you could rent out a domain name that's highly desirable or lease a website that generates traffic for a monthly fee. This is a great way to generate steady income from assets you already own. And there you have it, 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips for making money smarter. See you in the next video.